What's going on? I'm Allison. For today's video, we're doing lower body on the floor. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. All you need is a mat. I'll be cueing you through all of the exercises, so follow along with me or take it at your own pace. This is a great workout to do if you need a break from standing moves like squats and lunges. This workout does not include a warm-up and cool down, so make sure to do it on your own. So grab your mat and some water, and let's get started. Let's begin in a sideline position. It doesn't matter which side you begin on, we'll eventually do both. So we're gonna go ahead and prop the head comfortably, and then with your legs, you're gonna actually have your hips towards the back center of your mat, feet towards the opposite front corner, so you're like in a wide shaped V. Moving just that top leg, we're gonna have the toe pointed down, lift the leg up a little above hip height, flex the foot, bring those heels down together on the way down. All right, we're going to do 12 of these to get the legs going. Ready? Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower for 12. Good, 11, 10. We're still keeping the abs tight even though we're working legs. There's 8. Nice, 7, 6, keep it up, keep it up. 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax the leg. We're gonna do everything on this side before we flip sides. All right, so from the next exercise, the same leg's gonna work, and you're gonna do a bicycle move. So like you're pedaling a bike, we're going to have that leg parallel to the ground, move forward. We're gonna do that for 10, and then we're gonna go backwards for 10. So when you're ready, lift this leg just above, about hip level, and here we go, pedal forward. Inhale, exhale around. 9, good. 8, 7, feeling it all the way through the glutes. 5, in 4, 3, 2, pause, and let's reverse for 10. If you need to take a break in between directions, definitely do it. You've got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. If you like to bring this leg down, give yourself a little stretch. And while we're doing it, we're gonna transition to inner thighs. So start to elongate that inside leg. Now we're gonna take this top leg and get it out of the way. So whether it's behind or in front, it doesn't matter, it's whatever best for you. Okay, so starting off, I have 2 moves. First one, it's like you're kicking a soccer ball, flex the foot. We're gonna lift as high as we can, up and lower. We're gonna do 12 singles and then 10 pulses. Ready? There's 12. 11, you got it. 10, 9, keep going. Exhale, lift and lower. Good. 4 more. Now in 4, remember after that last one, we're gonna hold it up and we're gonna do a pulse. In 2, hold this one up and pulse it up double time. Squeeze, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that leg. Give it a little shake. One more exercise, very similar to how we did those bicycles, except we're gonna do small circles. So we're gonna lift this leg up just a little bit and trace a tiny circle. Picture there's a wall right in front of your toe. You're tracing that circle. We're gonna go 8 times in each direction. So same direction for 8 and then reverse. All right, lift it up. Here we go, 8, 7, 6, 5, you got it. 4, 3, 2, reverse. I know, small move, but super effective. 5, in 4, 3, good job, 2, and relax, nice work. All right, carefully bring it up, flip it around, other side. Same sequence, hips towards the back center, feet towards the opposite front corner, stacking the legs, relax your head, engage the core. We're gonna start with those leg lifts. Remember, point the toe up, flex it down, 12 of these. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's start. Lift up and lower. Remember, you don't have to go super high, just a little above the hip height. There's 3, 4, good job. 5, 6, keep it up, keep it up. 8, 9, 2 more, just like that. And then relax the leg, very nice. All right, coming up, those bicycles. 10 small going forward, and then 10 bicycles backwards, same leg. So when you're ready, lift the leg about hip level now, bend that knee, and let's pedal forward for 10, 9, feel all the way, outer thighs and glutes, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and reverse for 10, good, 9, you're doing great, 7, 6, take breaks as you need to, 4, 3, 2, and relax that leg, very nice. Take a moment, give yourself a stretch, start to elongate that inside leg, inner thighs are next. We'll do those lifts for 12 and then followed by a set of pulses. Get this top leg out of the way wherever you like. All right, flex the foot, leave at the heel. Let's lift right here. 12, 11, exhale 10, you got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, in 4, get ready, 3, 2, hold this one on top, pulse it out, 10, 9, good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep it up in 3, 2, and relax. All right, shake it out for a moment. Last thing we're gonna do are those little circles, and we're doing 8 in each direction, and then we are done with the series. All right, keep this leg where it's at, wherever it is, in front or behind. Lift this leg up. Here we go, trace the circle. Inhale, exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reverse. 8, 7, you got it. 6, 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, and bring it down and relax. Good job. When you're ready, let's get into that tabletop position. Hands and knees, making sure those wrists, elbows, and shoulders are stacked. Elbows stay soft, core is engaged. All right, we're gonna target some outer thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. So starting off with those outer thighs and glutes, we're gonna do a set of fire hydrants. So for this move, embrace the abs, relax the shoulders. We're gonna take the leg to the side, bring it down, and then do the other side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit 16 of these, so 8 on each side. Ready? 1. Exhale, lift for 2. Shoulders stay stacked. 4, 5, you got it. 7, halfway point for 8, 9, 10, you got it. 4 more right here. Last 4, 3, and between each set we'll stretch. 1 more, sink back for a little child's pose. You stay in this child's pose, watch my change. All right, now we're gonna stay on one side at a time. We're going to extend this leg out and hold. I'm gonna curl in for a hamstring, press up for a glute, bring it down, and extend that leg out. It's gonna stay floating the entire time. We're gonna do 10 on this side, we'll do a little child's pose stretch in between, and then 10 on the other leg. Okay, so embrace those abs. When you're ready, pick a side, extend that leg out, flex the foot. Let's curl. Take it in, press, down for 10. In, squeeze, good. 9, breathe. Take breaks as you need to. And we can start to get a little spicy those last few. Halfway there, 5, lift. 4, good. Take your time. 3, last 2, and 1 more. Good, set that leg down, sink back and stretch, maybe wiggle those hips, angle it a bit. Same thing on the other side, hamstrings to glute presses. Okay, when you're ready, back in position, extend that other leg out, flex the foot. Let's curl in, press, out for 10. Hips and shoulders steady. 9, breathe. Good. That one's 6, halfway point. You're doing great. 5, that thigh stays parallel to the ground. Squeeze. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring it down. Sink back and stretch. Maybe ankle it a little bit. We'll hold here for a moment. Good. And then we'll walk the fingers the other way, sink back in angle. Good job. All right, we're gonna do one more exercise while we're here. We're gonna do over the rainbows. So back to the first side we did. So using the corners of your mat as a guide, we're gonna start in one corner, and then we're gonna make a rainbow arch and cross over towards just the outside of the opposite side of your mat. So it's gonna be rainbow, squeeze, rainbow. We're doing 10 of these, staying on the same side. Okay, ready? Abs are tight. Let's do it. 10, 9, good. 8, everything's hitting a little bit differently in those glutes. 6, you're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2 more. And last one right here. Good job. Do that angled child's pose stretch again. Whew, breathe and hold. This is gonna be our last exercise in this position. Carefully bring it up. Reset center. Now your other leg extends out, outside corner. And when you're ready, let's do those 10. Here we go. 10, 9, bigger you go, more intense it is. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, you're doing awesome. 4, 3, come on, 2 more. And last one right here. Excellent job. Knees in, angle that stretch, get the glutes. Good job. Whew. And bring it up. For this next exercise, we're actually gonna be in a seated position. So go ahead and take a seat and sit up nice and tall with your legs extended straight out. Okay, so you can have your hands back a little bit for support, but we're going to lift the leg up, rotate outward, bring it in and down. And what we're gonna activate here is your quads. So core is tight, sitting tall, lift up, out, in, and then other side. Go ahead and join me when you're ready. And down, good. Lift, out. So feel the leg right away tighten up as we lift the leg. Try to sit up tall the whole time. Good. Lift, out. All right, so I'm not really counting the reps as much with this one. I'm gonna go more for time, and we're gonna go for another about 40 seconds or so. Lift, alternating. If you need to take breaks at any time, definitely do so. So this is a nice alternative since we're hitting the quads to maybe squats. If you're not feeling those squats, or your knees are just not wanting to do them either, this is a good alternative. Lift, out, in. Good job. Keep going, keep breathing. Let's go about 10 more seconds. Lift, up. All right, I have a little kicker at the end, but I'll give you a break before we hit it. In 5, 4, 3, make sure you're even, finish on the other side, relax, shake it out. Okay, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna stay on the one side and do some baby tiny pulses. So let's say I'm doing my right side, I'm gonna lift up, I'm gonna lift and squeeze, lift and squeeze. We're gonna do that for 20 seconds. We'll relax the leg, shake it out, and then 20 seconds on the other side. Okay, so when you're ready, lift the leg and pulse it up. Squeeze and lift, squeeze and lift. Keeping that foot flexed, also working a little bit of core here. Good, firing up those quads, you got it. 10 seconds, breathe. You're almost there. Finish it in 4, 3, 2, and bring it down, shake it out, shake it out. Whew. In 5 seconds, we're doing the other leg. Ready? 4, 3, 2, start to lift it up, and pulse. Lift, 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 yes. Woo. Keep it up, keep it up. Awesome. 10 seconds. I know you've got it in you. Stay there. Squeeze. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake out those legs. For the last part of this workout, we're gonna be lying down on our back with our legs up and doing some inner thighs. I went ahead and turned my mat so that you can see the angle of my legs. So when you're ready, lie all the way down on your back with your legs extended in the air. Okay, so for this series, your upper body gets to stay relaxed. You can place your arms to the side. We're gonna start with our feet flexed. If you take your hands where your hips are and then bring it up, that's about hip width apart. And that's about how wide we want to take the legs. So when you're ready, we're gonna go out, exhale, bring it in. So join me here, inhale, exhale. Since there's no resistance, think of the air as being very thick. If you have ankle weights at home, this is a really great exercise to do with ankle weights for some added tension. But if you're like me and you don't, we're just gonna go ahead and stay here, work some high reps. Inhale, exhale. So bringing those heels all the way in for 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, coming up, we're gonna incorporate some pulses. In 3, 2, keeping the feet flexed. Pulse it out. Remember, don't go too wide. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Back to singles, in and out. This time we're going to point out, flex in. Point out, flex in for 8. Good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now keeping the toes pointed. Let's pulse this out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hug those knees in. All right, staying here. You keep hugging in, watch me. I'm gonna bring those feet back up, feet flexed, do a little frogger, heels together, toes and knees flare out, and then exhale like you're stomping up to the ceiling, bring those feet together, feet flexed. Exhale down, inhale up. All right, when you're ready, get your legs up, and let's go. Down, press up, down, and squeeze. Good. You can even get those knees to touch, that's awesome. If not, that's all right. But heels stay together like a hinge, toes and knees flare out, like you're stomping up to that ceiling. 10 more, go. 10, woo. 9, 8, keep going. Here's 6, 5. All right, listen for the kick. In 4, we're gonna add a little pulse on the bottom. 2, hold this one down, pulse it, heels together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep it on the low end, heels together, knees come in and out for 10, 9, good, inner thighs definitely feeling it now. 8, 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, come on. 3, get ready. In 2, pulse double time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Extend those legs up. Point the toes. Tiny little crisscrosses to finish. We're gonna go 30 seconds here. So keep it tight. In, good. Woo. Final little leg burn here. You're doing amazing. 15 seconds. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Bring those knees in, rock it out. Good job. Great job with that lower body workout. You did an amazing job. If you're feeling energetic, feel free to rewind this video and get a second round in. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Great job on completing that workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. If you have any workout requests, please leave a comment in this video. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.